Today's training, you're gonna need double sticks. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and say hi to me in the comments so I can say hi back to you. Go and grab your sticks. Let's get to the training. If you do not have a pair of Kali sticks, make sure to head over to KaliCenter.com, check out our online store, and order yourself a pair or two of our awesome premium grade rattan Kali sticks. Links down below. When it comes to the martial art of Kali, everybody could learn to move their sticks very well, very fluid, very fast. And then everybody can do some footwork. But the true skill of Kali is putting the sticks, the weapons, and the footwork together in a calibrated and coordinated way. So today's training is going to be focusing on that. We're going to do a very simple double stick striking combination and adding it with some basic triangle footwork. Today's striking combination is just two fluid strikes. All you're going to need is striking up on this, what we call angle 4, and down on that angle 1 on the right side and off of the left chambered side. So just strike this right here. Okay, a 4 and a 1, an angle 4 and an angle 1, just like this. Okay, and then also learn to strike them together. You want to be able to strike them independently, one after the other, and strike them simultaneously at the same time. Now, let's take a look at the basic footwork. We're going to be working with the triangles. We're going to work with the reverse triangle and the forward triangle, and then we're going to close those off with the horizontal line. So from here, we're going to step on the reverse triangle first. I'm going to strike with my left foot coming out, then I'm going to close it off as I step with my right foot. I'm going to drop it back. Same thing going to the right. I'm going to step with the right foot, striking that bottom stick. As the feet come together here, I'm going to strike that top hand going all the way down. Your feet don't have to touch, okay, but you do want them to return back underneath your hips. So that's our reverse triangle section. It's so simple. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right? Time it out. Time the landing of the strike with when the weapon would be hitting the target or reaching your center line. Boom, right there. Bop, 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 bop. The next part of this drill is working on the 4 triangle. This changes the timing of the weapons and the feet a little bit. We're going to strike. It's going to start off exactly the same way. We're going to strike that coming up the 4 as we step to the left. Now, watch the timing here. As my feet replace, I'm going to strike my 1 right there at the apex of the 4 triangle. Same thing going back the other direction. Striking now inside with my number 4. And then right here, as I'm coming out of the apex of the triangle, I'm going to strike that 1. So the timing's a little different. Boom, 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 right there. Bop, 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 boom, right there. Then the third piece of this drill is we're going to step across the 90, across the base of the triangles, striking our double strikes at the same time. Here and there. 1, 2, right there. Bop, 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 just like that. Once you have all 3 components down, then we're going to go ahead and put them together into one drill. Stepping out on a reverse triangle first, then up on the forward triangle, boom, boom, and then across the base, here and here. Starting all over again. Reverse triangle, boom, forward triangle, changes the timing, change that coordination a little bit, and then across the base on the double strikes. Let me turn it around, give you a couple different angles so you can see the drill from some different perspectives. Remember, in the art of Kali, you need to be able to move your weapons. You need to be able to navigate by moving your feet. But that true skill, like I said before, is the ability to strike your weapon and move your feet at the same time, which for some reason I don't see a whole lot of Filipino martial artists really doing. It's your turn to go give this drill a go. Again, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment below, say hi to me, That way I can say hi back to you. If you want to continue your double stick training with me, got a couple options for you. Head over to collegecenter.com and you can check out my DVD downloads that are double stick volume 1 and volume 2. Or check out my online school and you can get a whole bunch of double sticks plus all the other areas of Kali right inside my online school. Got the links down in the description below. Hopefully I get to see you on in there and continue our Kali training together. All right, I'll see you back here next time. Make sure to get outside at least a couple times a week. Go let nature be your training dojo. That's gonna really help to enhance your coordination more than you can believe. All right, I'll see you next time.